Hello, so I'm here again back with another video. So here now we learn how can you compare two documents when someone else sends you or you have done some changes way before and then you want to see which changes you had done, so you compare two versions of the same document. So here I have document 1 opened. I will now compare this with another document which I have slightly altered, which you will see in a little while. So what I will do is I will go to the review tab. I will select compare and again compare. So here I can actually choose the original document, which is this one which I have opened. By the way, you don't have to open this document. You can just open any blank Word document and you can do the same function, and it'll ask you to give you the original document. So you just choose the original document as it is. And then you choose the altered version of the document, which is the document 2 in this case. Then you click OK. It'll instantly give you all the changes here. So you will see in the mouse cursor, you will see the document 1, you will see document 2 here. So in the document 1 there's a testing, but in the document 2 this is altered as this is not a testing. So basically here you will see a strike through, and then you will here see the change. Again, you will here say it's today, and then tomorrow it was changed in the document 2. You will see here, and the rest of the changes as they are. But also implemented. I altered it in document 2, and you will here see the changes, the same way in the table. And then you scroll down. So here I had deleted this paragraph in the document 2. So here you will see this version paragraph is there. The version paragraph is there in the document 1, but in the document 2 is missing. So what the good feature about this compare function is that when you scroll down, you actually see both of these documents scrolling down. You can actually see which lines are missing, or which paragraph is missing. And again here, so I had deleted this paragraph, and this is not there in the document 2. So this is a very useful feature of Word. So I mean, at work there could be people sending you stuff, updated stuff every now and then, and you want to compare that stuff with your prepared draft version. So this is a very useful tool to actually do it very efficiently. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.